Singapore International School.
Hello my dear students, welcome to my new video. I hope you're all fine. In my previous video I have talked about the non-living things and about their classifications, which is man-made non-living things and natural non-living things. I'll be discussing about the states of the materials, that means the appearance of the materials. So let's start. Okay, so first, what is the states of materials? Materials can be appear in different kinds of states, that means in different kinds of physical forms. For example, a material can be solid, liquid or gas. Today I'll be focusing on solid and liquid. For this we have to know what is solid. A solid is one kind of material which has its own shape and which takes a certain amount of place. If, for example, if you think about a glass, it will take a specific space and it has its own shape. If you think about your shirt, a shirt takes a specific place. If you put the shirt in a place, it will take some space and it has a regular shape. You can give, if you look around at your home and outside of your home, you will see lots of solid things. For example, if you look around at your home, you will see plates, you will see spoons. They are all solid materials. Identification of solid materials, there is a property. The one property is the solid material has its own shape and it takes a place. For example, if I take a glass, see, it has a juice in it. Okay, so a glass has its own shape. See, it's a shape and it takes a place. It is taking the place. In my hand, it is taking this space. Again, if I think about my mobile, my cell phone, a cell phone has a specific shape. You are saying that it has a specific rectangular shape and it is taking a place. Okay, so this is solid. Like this, you will see a lots of solid materials around your home. You can see a mug, you can see a jug, you will see a book. Suppose I have a book, this is a novel, this is a book. Okay, so the book is has a specific shape and it takes a place. So you will see lots of things around in your home which is actually made of solid materials. A solid materials can be made of steel, it can be made of iron, it can be made of fiber, it can be made of stone. That means a solid material is hard. Actually, the solid material is hard and it takes its own shape. It has its own shape and it takes the place of its own. So what is solid materials? A solid materials is hard. A solid materials takes its own place and solid material has its own shape. Now come to the another point, the liquid. Liquid material is not hard. A liquid material doesn't have its own shape. A liquid material takes the shape of a container. So the liquid material takes the shape of a container. For example, I have again a glass of juice. See, the juice is actually, I have half of glass of the juice. If I take a cup, here is a cup. So if I take a cup and if I pour the juice in the cup, it will take the space of it will take the shape of the cup. See, the juice has taken the shape of a cup. If I pour the juice in the glass again, it will take the shape of a glass. So this is the main properties of a liquid, is that a liquid can take the shape of a container and a liquid is not hard and liquid is movable. It can flow from one place to another place. So now I can give you some examples. If you look at your home, you will see you can have milk. So milk is a liquid materials. I have honey. It's a double honey. See, it's a honey. So honey is a, see, it is taking the shape and it's liquid. So honey is the example of a liquid. And most common example is water. When you drink water, you will see the water is taking the shape of glass. Water is taking the shape of, if you pour it in the bowl, it will take the shape of a bowl. If you pour it in the cup, it will take the shape of a cup. So water is liquid material. If you look around yourself, you will see water, you will see milk, you will see honey, you can see different kinds of medicine like syrup, that is also liquid. You can have any juice, you can have juice, so juice is liquid. And in natural, you can see the river. The river is also liquid material. So today we have learned about what is solid and what is liquid. So solid is one thing which have its own shape and which takes a place, and the liquid is not hard, and liquid can take the shape of a container. Okay, so what is the example of liquid? The example of a liquid can be water, milk, honey, juice, river. And the examples of solid can be anything. It can be scooter, it can be a fabric, it can be your dress, it can be a book, it can be a mug, any hard thing, any hard material that can be a solid. Okay, so that's all for today. Till then, stay home, stay safe.